Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this PopCorners. This is got it at Costco. As you can see, it's all dressed. The bag is pretty big. And here it is. If you guys want to read this back here, pause the video. Here's the nutrient panel. There it is. There's the ingredients right there. So it does contain a little bit of yeast, but otherwise not bad. And yeah, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Okay, so this is what they look like. I had their other one that was the sweet and salty one. And this is the all dressed, so let's try it out. Not bad. So out of both of them, which one I prefer? I prefer this one actually. The other one to me was a little bit too sweet, but that's me. So yeah, I actually like this. It's pretty good. It tastes like a regular all dressed like Ruffles or whatever. So definitely check it out. Any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel.